Hello guys, you are watching Technical Hardshot, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make a quick landing in PUBG when the destination is very little far or little far from the path of the plane. So let's get started. To make a quick landing using this method, the destination should not be too far or too close to the path of the plane, but it should be a little far or very little far from the path of the plane. First of all, open the map and mark the destination. And on reaching parallel to the destination, jump from the plane. Then while landing, you have to move the movement pad forward and also slightly towards the destination, and you have to slide the screen downward so to keep the view downward. In this way you will land quickly. It's really a helpful and useful technique used by pro players for quick landing. Thanks for watching. For such more videos, don't forget to subscribe Technical Hardshot. Bye bye.